Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool. Let me also do this, Dan. We're going to shout like we're in a. Eyes over here. Good. Good. All right. Take that again. All right. Standing by. Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from CoolCleveland.com, and we're here today at the Pennsylvania Arts Presenters in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we're here with Dan Kamin. Thanks for meeting with us today, Dan.
Tom, nice to see you.
You're a fabulous performer, Dan. You have performed all over the place. Talk about the shows that you do, because you work a lot with kids, right? You've got a kids program.
Yeah, in fact, I was just in 2 weeks ago, did a show with the Cleveland Orchestra, which received exactly no coverage on Cool Cleveland.
Before we end this interview, let me see if there's anything else we wanted to cover. Oh yeah, I see there was a few other things.